Dear students, in this video lecture, we are going to discuss how to execute the 8085 microprocessor programs with the help of 8085 simulator. So, on this mobile screen, we can able to see the 8085 Ultimate simulator that I have already downloaded from the Play Store. So, we have to download and install the 8085 Ultimate simulator from the Play Store. Okay, so as I have already downloaded, so we will see few programs, simple addition, subtraction kind of programs by using this 8085 Ultimate simulator. So after the installation of this 8085 Ultimate simulator, you will get this kind of icon on your mobile screen. Okay, so just I will click on this particular icon. So after clicking, you will get the 8085 Ultimate to allow some access. Okay, so this particular app is required to access the data from your particular mobile phone. Okay, so just click on the allow. After clicking allow, first of all you will get the demo or some tips that are required to execute or that you should know before to use this particular simulator. So if you know the details about the simulator, then you can skip, or if you don't know how to use this particular simulator, you can swipe this particular page to left hand side. So one by one you can check how to or steps, you will get the steps to load the program and how to execute it. So this is about to create the new file, 8085 microprocessor programming file, opening of the file. Suppose you already stored or executed the programs, then you can open that file. Also they are given some examples of the program in this particular app and some references where you can check the different instructions of 8085. So this is about the editor window. So here we are going to write the programs and different options are available below, that is menu, save, load and run. This is about the program which is already stored in the memory or in the app. Simple MVIA kind of instruction. After clicking on run, you will get this kind of window where the app will ask to give the starting address of the program. As we know, before to execute the program must be available in the memory with the specific starting address. So as far as this app is concerned, this app will give you the by default starting address 8000x, that is 8000x. So this 8000x you can change as per your requirement. Okay, so after clicking on run, you will get this kind of window where you will find the different registers, that is accumulator, flag register, BC pair, DE pair, HL pair, program counter, stack pointer, total number of T states required, the log file, execution details. In our institute we are having the 8085 trainer kit, so that kind of visualization is also available in this particular app. So this is about the kit kind of visualization where you can execute your program with the help of kit assembly window. So here also we can able to see the different memory locations, programs, the number of T states, the hex code available in the memory. the data which is available in the memory also we can change. Okay, so with the help of the kit kind of simulation we can execute the programs. Okay, so this is about the execution writing of the program in the with the help of text editor window and the kit kind of visualization. So right now we are going to see how to write the program in the text editor window and how to execute it. So I will click on the skip. Okay, so first of all you will get different options: new file, open file, examples. So new file means if you want to execute or if you want to write a new program in the text editor window, you have to click on the new file. Suppose if you already stored a file, program file in the app, at that time you have to use the open file. Examples. So this 8085 Ultimate app, I given some examples of the program. So these kind of examples are available: 1's complement of 16-bit, 2's complement of 8-bit number, addition of two 16-bit numbers, addition of two 8-bit numbers by using different instructions. Largest number from an array, largest of two 8-bit. So number of examples are given in the example. In the references you will find the instructions that are required while writing the program. Okay, so we will go back. So just click on the new file. After clicking a new file, you will get the text editor window. So here we are going to write the program. So first of all we will see a simple addition program, addition of two 8-bit numbers by using simple immediate addressing mode. Okay, so as I said, this app will give the by default starting address for the program is 8000 hex, that is 8000 hex. So you can change that address simply by clicking on the run. So after clicking on run, you will get this window, enter start address. So by default, as this Ultimate app is concerned, by default address is 8000 hex. So if you want to change, you can change this. So suppose instead of this 8000, if I give C, so C000 will be the starting address for your program. Okay, just click on the start. After clicking on the start, automatically the memory locations will come. Okay, so here you have to stop this execution. Just click on cancel. Do you want to cancel it? Yes. Okay. Okay, so now the program counter get loaded with the address C000 hex. So here we can able to see the PC program counter with C10A hex, the last address which is achieved. Okay, so program counter with C000 hex is available for the program. Once again you can check this. Just click on the run. Now it will show the C000 starting address for your program. Okay, just cancel it. Okay, now we will write here the program in this text editor window. Just click on the text window. Okay, so below the menu bar you will get different instructions. You can take the help of these instructions, and if you know the instructions very well, directly we can write. So as I said, the first program, that is the addition of two 8-bit numbers by using immediate addressing mode, that is by using ADI instruction. Okay, so first instruction is MVI space A comma suppose 22 hex. So this instruction will copy 22 hex in accumulator. Click on the enter to move to next line. The next instruction is ADI. So if I click on the ADI instruction, which is available below this particular menu bar, directly you will get ADI in the text window. Then after clicking ADI, automatically the app will ask the number. So suppose 12, okay, 12 hex. So next instruction is ADI 12 hex. Enter. If you want to copy this result in another register, you can copy. So here you will find different instructions available, branching, arithmetic, logical, all instructions are available. So this is your move instruction. So suppose you want to copy this result in B register, so move B comma A. Okay, so result you will get in B register also. Enter. And last instruction is to stop execution, that is halt instruction. Okay, now you have to save this program with the specific name. So save, enter the file name, suppose addition, eight bit, addition 8-bit is the file name for the program. Just click on the save. Okay, the program gets saved. Now the program is available